My name is Penny. I'm with Get Up and Go Kayaking Tampa Bay, and today we are going on a clear kayaking tour at Shell Key Preserve. Oh, a day in the life at Shell Key Preserve. We paddle out, we go through our mangrove tunnels, and we land at the beach where you can find a shell with a hole in it and place it on one of the trees, and you get to make a wish. Hopefully your wish comes true, and you get to enjoy what's best about Tampa Bay. On a kayaking tour, you usually only get to see the things that are around you above the water. In our clear kayaks, you see what is beneath you. For our first-time kayakers, we want you to come out, just bring yourself some sunscreen and a hat, and we'll show you the ropes. We'll teach you how to paddle, we'll get you out there, and you'll enjoy the day with one of our guides. Coming out on a clear kayak tour through Shell Key allows you to truly enjoy what's beautiful about our waterways in the Tampa Bay area. It's a peaceful, calm experience and something that we don't get in Tampa Bay too often. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. So come out and enjoy something that is unique to our Tampa Bay area.